We're out in Lucinda's garden at Judd's house, and if you recall, some time ago she brought me this pothead. Her daughter makes these, Amber pottery by Amber. I think it'd be better as Amber pottery. Anyways, this is when she was doing it as potheads, and this used to be under the porch, and I brought it up because it wasn't getting seen there, and I wanted to wash it off too because I got to fix this, a little wobbly there. Y'all know what that is, right? But in bringing it up and setting it out here where it would get rained on to wash it off because it was all covered with dirt from the splash, look at this. Look at this right here. This thing has been getting drenched the last few days. We've had a lot of rain, so this thing has just been getting drenched. You can see it's root rot. I mean, the roots are all in, what do they call that? I don't know, it's stuck in the bowl. But look at that. I mean, that might even be a bloom, or might turn into a bloom. Wouldn't that be cool? So, and my hitchhiking ghost might be having a baby. Happy day to you.